In this video, I will show you how to find color grading preset in CapCut. So let me show you step by step. So there is two methods to follow. So method number one, after you open the CapCut, now here is my video. Go to this filter. After you go to the filter, so under the filter, there is different filter that CapCut gives you to use them as a color grading. So you should just go ahead now and select the one you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one. Import it on your video. So after you add the filter on your video, it will automatically be applied as a color grading for your editing. As you can see now, the color has been changed. So here is the color before and here is the color after. And that's it. If you want to reduce the intensity of the filter, just select the filter and then go to this option. So you can reduce the intensity or you can increase it to 100% to fit your desire. That's the first method. So the second method now, if you have a preset that you saved on your previous video and then now you want to use it on your current editing. So let's say on your previous video you set a color grading filter, color grading preset, and you want to use it now on your current editing. So here is how to find it. After you open the CapCut, go to this media, go to yours under the media, and then go to my presets. If you go to my preset here, you'll be able to see all your preset you saved in the CapCut. So let's say now I want to use this. Let's say here is my preset that I saved on my previous video. So just drag it to your timeline, right click on it, and then go to this undo compound clip. After you undo the compound clip, right click on it and then go to copy attributes. So after you copy the attribute, so now go to your current video, right click, so and then go to this paste attribute. So click on this option, paste. So from there, all the editings you save on your this video on this preset, it will be applied to this one. So after that, you can just go ahead and delete this preset. So here it is now. Now the color grading has been applied to my current editing. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.